Okay, let's take a look at problem 5, solving the absolute value inequality. Absolute value of A is greater than or equal to B. What is the solution of the absolute value of 2x plus 4 greater than or equal to 6? Graph the solution. So we know that we're going to have two different inequalities to solve. The first one will be 2x plus 4 is less than or equal to negative 6, or 2x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 6. So I can solve. I subtract 4 from both sides, from both of them. For the first one, I get negative 10 divided by 2. I get x is less than or equal to negative 5. For the second one, I get 2 divided by 2, and I get x is greater than or equal to 1. And so when I graph it, I have 1 greater than, so it's going in the positive direction. And at x is less than or equal to negative 5, it's going in the negative direction. Let's take a look at the guided now. So I have the absolute value of 5x plus 10 is less than 15. Let's go ahead and write our two equations. So the first one will be 5x plus 10 is less than 15. And then the second one is 5x plus 10 is greater than negative 15. So all I did was flip my inequality and make it negative. So now I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides, from both of them. And I get 5x is greater than 5. And over here I get 5x is less than negative 25. Divide by 5 on both sides. And I get x is greater than 1. And I divide by 5 over here. And I get x is less than negative 5. So when I graph it, so at 1, I have an open circle because it's not equal to. Let me make sure I wrote that down correctly. Yes, it's not equal to, so it's an open circle. And x is greater than, so it's going in this direction. And for the second one, I have x is less than, open circle, so it's going in the negative direction. So then it says for B, without solving, the absolute value of x minus 3 is less than or equal to 2. Describe the graph of a solution. Well, since it is greater than or equal to, I predict that it will be going in opposite directions. And this box here confirms that when I have absolute value of A equal to A, absolute value x equal to A, I'm going to have two different dots, a negative and a positive. When I have it less than or equal to, I'm going to be filling in between those two values of negative A and positive A. And then when I have it as greater than or equal to, my x's will be going in two different directions. We can actually solve this problem to see. So we have the absolute value of x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 2. So I have x minus 3 greater than or equal to 2, and x minus 3 less than or equal to negative 2. So I add 3. And I get x is greater than or equal to 5, and x is less than or equal to 1. So when I graph it, for the first one, x is greater than, so or equal to, so it's going to be a closed circle going in this direction. For the second one, x is less than, so it's going in the negative direction. I hope this helps.